Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I said in my last video that I would show you guys how I display my Doorables. So I want to get that video up and out. You guys all know that I've been opening up these collector cases, so I got 3 of them. The funny thing about these is I noticed, with the handle, you could actually just hang it on your wall on one of these command hooks. Now, the carrying case with the figures is under 3 pounds. It might be under 2.5 pounds. And the hooks, I think, can bear a weight of up to 5 pounds. So they're perfectly safe up there. Now, I have these up here just temporarily. I actually had bags hanging on those hooks because I don't think I'm going to leave these here. I'm going to put them on their own wall or their own place. I just don't know where yet. The other thing that I bought, and I want to get another one, is I got this really nice acrylic case. So you can see it holds a lot of Doorables. It could probably hold your mini Funkos. But I kind of like that. And then I bought this at Target. It was in their $5 section. So I painted it white, and I wish I had some artistic talent and I could paint this even nicer. What I did with this one right here, because I bought 2 of them. Now these have all the flocked ones in it. Plus I need a little spot for Marie. But I thought that I would paint the edges with my paint pen pink, just because I didn't have the green teal color that I really wanted, and I was impatient, but I don't really like the look of that. It looks so bright. I wish I had some artistic talent and I could put some paint or maybe get some stickers and just decorate the back of that, but it's like that for now. And then what I plan on doing with these is on the back here, I plan on putting these up on the wall using, where did it go? Command strips. I'm going to use these command strips. Now, these command strips said they hold up to 16 pounds. So, I mean, this by no means is 16. It's not even, this is so light. It's not even 3 pounds by my estimation. So then the other thing I did was I had my Doorables organized by series. So I had all series 4. No, I don't have series 4. 5, 6, and 7 all separated. But it just wasn't working for me, and it was kind of hard to organize. So I'm just doing it by genres. Like up here, though, I have just all, this came in the Princess Peak. So I have them all together. But then I tried to separate, as you can see. And these are all my flocked ones, and they'll stay in there. I'll have to find a place for Marie. The ones in the cases, there's enough room in here. I'll show you on this one. I have a translucent Tinkerbell, and I just put her in the back. I have 2 Peter Pans, and I just put one in the back. And also the same with Wendy. But the thing is, they're not duplicates, because these in the front have glitter on them. The ones in the back are just plain. And so my duplicates go into a whole other tray. And then I was really happy to get this right here from my friend, the Food Cat. She also gave me Captain Hook, and she also gave me Cheshire Cat. Now, she also gave me, I'm just gonna roll right into that. She also gave me the Princess Comics. She gave me this Ariel, how cute. And she gave me this Ariel. So I thank her for that. And then I was able to pick up today my 2 magic bands for my trip to Disney World, Magic Kingdom. So I guess I kind of wanted to be prepared, and so I bought me a magic band, and I bought my husband a magic band, but then I think you don't really need the magic bands, but it's my first trip, and I just thought it would be easier. And I know you can use your smartphone, but I don't want my smartphone to go to die. And then because I bought those 2 magic bands to get free shipping, I ended up getting 2 ornaments. It was buy one get one $15 off, I think it was. I can't remember. So I got Pocahontas and Miko. Flit's got to be there. Yeah, he's there in the back. So I got this one, and I got my favorite Cinderella, and I think this is so cute. It's just so classic. And this looks exactly like, yep, you guessed it, the journal, the Cinderella journal. So that's my video for today, guys. Hope everybody's having a great day. Aloha.